It's my second day waking up early. It's 6 a.m. or 6:30. I'm gonna drink my carotene and head to the gym. I'm gonna be running a 5K, so I have to try and advance my miles. The time doesn't matter to me. I just want to reach 3 miles, and then the time will be my goal, to meet a certain time goal. But I'm gonna wear these running shoes that I have and see if these are comfortable, because these are the ones that I want to wear for the race. The 5K that I'm gonna be running in February. There was a time that I was able to wake up every day 6:30, 5 o'clock, but I just got out of that routine, and now I have to get back into it. I'm gonna stretch first, and then I'm in the cycling room right now. This is the way I warm up when I want to run. Just something I learned. Is it correct? I don't know. I want to share with you guys this sweat jacket I'm wearing. I bought on Amazon for like 20 bucks. It really works. I'm gonna be drenched after this. We're starting. Let's see how far we can go. I'm all done. I didn't finish 3 miles, but it's my first time trying, so I did pretty good. A little over 2 miles, so I think I can be somewhat successful at completing a 3-mile 5K run. My arms are full of sweat to the back. My shirt is soaked. So I'm at Pollo Loco for lunch again. I've been thinking of doing a week-long challenge, eating Pollo Loco a week. I don't know how expensive that's gonna get, but we'll see. I do get rewards. So like for today, I have a chicken tostada. It comes with rice, beans, chicken. It's a salad. I have that for free, so the points accumulate. So possibly I'll be making a video of a week challenge eating at Pollo Loco for a week. So it would be like a weight loss challenge eating at Pollo Loco for a week. How much did I lose? There's really only to think about it, on the menu there's only about 2 or 3 items that are low calorie. I know there's like a keto burrito, there's salad, and then sometimes they come out with some other things, but for now I think that's all they have. We got a Fashion Nova delivery, and now we gotta do a haul. I'm gonna take you guys grocery shopping with me now. We're here at Aldi, and I'm gonna show you what some of the items that I like to buy from here. So let's go inside. Don't forget your quarter. I've always said I'm not gonna be a night shopper because I'm used to going in the morning, get all my groceries done, but look at me. These are $2.35, pretty good deal, only 100 calories. Get away from all the snacks, get away from all the snacks. This is one of my favorites. $4.99, and there's some, it's not here, but there's cauliflower mac and cheese, which is also good. So I've been buying these for low carb tortillas for about a while now. They're only 50 calories per one. I didn't find what I needed. I did buy a couple things, but we're gonna go across the street to Walmart to see if we can find some chicken. I need some almond milk and some fruit. I'm really looking for some dragon fruit. I really come to love it. And I've only found one place that has it, so hopefully Walmart has it. I hardly shop there, so maybe I'll find some other things. Let's go. Sometimes I really hate coming to Walmart just because it's always packed, and it's like, oh, there's people all over the place. I don't even remember the last time I went to Walmart, but since it's across the street, I'm going to check it out. And I also want to try some new styles of chicken, so I don't always want to go to the same place and eat the same type. So let's see what we find. So after this, I may go shopping to TJ Maxx. I don't know why every year I procrastinate for Christmas. Like, I don't know why I don't like shopping. But we're here at Walmart. These are cute, only $1. Let's see. There's a reason I'll come to Walmart. There's no chicken here. I'm finally home after going to 3 stores. I couldn't find chicken that I wanted, but I found something, and for this week it's fine. So I'm having dinner right now. Let me show you guys what I'm having. So I cut up some cilantro, tomato, and some white onion. I normally like purple onion, but I already had some available. And then all you need is lemon, a tuna, and salt and pepper, and then some jalapeno juice and some jalapenos, and that's it. This is like a simple meal, and it's very low calorie. All right, so we put the tuna in there. Squeeze lemons depending on how much lemon you like. I'll probably use both. Take out the seeds when you're done. Alright, now we're adding some jalapeno juice. And then some jalapenos in there. Last step, we put in our jalapenos, and now the salt. Just a little bit. And that is it. Now you just mix it up. And there it is, all mixed in. The flavors are just bursting in your tongue. It's so good. You can put it on top of a tostada, which is what I'm gonna do. I added some avocado as well. And these are the tostadas I like to eat them with. You just put it on top, and it's a quick and easy lunch or dinner. Growing up, this is one of my favorite meals, and it's just so easy to make, and it's honestly full of flavor with the lemon, the jalapeno juice, the tomato, the cilantro. It's so good. a while. I'm doing good though. A little out of breath. Almost there. We finally made it to the top. Like caught a little Port Beach right over there. And then down that way is Clemente. Guys, we're just about done with the hike. I'd like to thank you for watching to the end. Please like and subscribe for more videos like these. I'll catch you later. Bye.